Hi all. It's place between ocean and river. Usually it's called as estuary. Let's see about estuary at end of video. It's during normal days. Let's see this area during low tides and high tides. An estuary may also be called a bay, lagoon, sound, or slough. There is more than one process at work. Estuarine circulation, river and groundwater discharge, tidal flooding, resuspension events, and exchange flow with adjacent marsh systems all constitute important physical variables that exert some level of control on estuarine biogeochemical cycles and ecological processes. 1. Estuary is the generic term for the area where a river meets the sea. Definitions of estuary vary somewhat, but typically an estuary is the part of a river that is influenced by the sea, either through tides or through seawater intrusion, salinity. There are many different types of estuaries, ranging from coastal lagoons to riverine estuarine channels, to tidal deltas. In some contexts, the part of a bay that receives fresh water during flood events will also be considered an estuary. The highest tides occur when the moon is new or full. High tides sometimes occur either before or after the moon is straight overhead. Sometimes there are really low tides called neap tides. Thanks for watching. This awesome scene was shooted in Olin, Santa Elena, Ecuador. Thank you.